I don't.
Old school try.
Get
And
the muscles out.
we just picked this Jimmy up.
That's what I tried to say.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's gonna snap.
Babe. Oh!
Is that it?
We're headed over to Robbie's house. Check out some bikes. I think they're working on some Softails. Everybody seems to be buying Softails. My boy Travis picked one up, Heritage. I think they're putting some bars on it. Actually, the 12s that I originally bought for Big Perp. See what we got going on here. Did a couple things. We replaced these rocker box covers. I changed out the tappet covers, the push rod covers, as well as added some new adjustable push rods in there. And had some trouble last night with the adjustments. We actually had to find a creative way to get this thing home, but I think I fixed the problem today. We'll see if there's any more issues. What else have I done? I got some OG gas caps back with the fuel gauge indicator. I didn't like the Kuryakin, whatever they're called. And we got the CVO style pulley in. Remember my last video, that pulley was looking rough. So this thing is all chrome and pretty and looking good. We got lots of chrome all over this bike. We're gonna jump on, head over to Robbie's house and see what they got going on over there. I think Meg's over there too, so. Moment of truth after the push rod adjustment. Is this your get back whip? Yeah. Right here? Robbie with the homemade seat. Mm-hmm.
It's a LaFera, baby.
The LaFera.
That's a LaFera. Recovered LaFera. I was trying to figure out a way to put the tag back on. Get it back on.
Close enough. What's got going on here, buddy? You feed some wires through and... This guy got rid of his Gixxer, so thumbs up in our book. There you go. Yes, sir. Save you at least 5 minutes.
At least.
Probably more. Hopefully you tied it tight, because it really sucks when you're halfway and it breaks off. Well, look who it is.
Are you taping?
No. I'm just recording. What have you been doing?
Legs. Can you tell?
Yep. Can definitely tell. You guys getting swole?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I want to work out here every day.
Well, there's
What are we doing tomorrow?
move.
I can go tomorrow. He'll be asleep till probably 10 at least.
What are you talking about? I get up at 6 o'clock now.
No, you don't. Your fingers are dirty.
14 and 3
What?
right there.
Your fingers are dirty.
Yeah.
Dirty hands, clean money, baby.
How you doing?
Wait, what?
Oh yeah. Got some parts, man.
There's just like bike parts arriving here.
Oh yeah.
What's in here? Oh,
doggy?
thrashing.
Yes, sir.
That's a cool box. These can't be the bars.
Those are the bars. These are the
Hey, buddy, replace those seals.
Oh,
No!
I know, he's blowing me up.
What's going on?
I'm getting the forks done today, bro. Bro,
Trade him.
Those look pretty damn good, don't they? I'm hyped on that.
you just opened them.
Yeah,
Huh?
just
Did you even look at
opened
the
them.
bars yet?
Not yet.
hits on my shit.
Alright.
Ooh.
Mid-bend bars, the
Oh,
9.5
yeah.
risers.
Got the thrashing. Love it.
Super hyped.
Dude, that's gonna look
Super
sick.
hyped. The 9.5
You bringing a
risers.
dyno over?
Yeah, it's when to drop off the parts. You know, it's like Christmas Day here. So how much you want for it?
What are we doing?
I need food now. I bought the bike from this guy.
So how much you want for it?
Okay.
I gotta eat.
We're not ready.
What do you mean we're not ready? I'm always ready to eat.
I'll be ready for 3 hours.
Do you see the mess going on in this area? Do you know how many bikes need to be worked on in the next couple hours?
Are you going to go out to eat then? Because I'm going to go get ready.
You look like you're ready.
I'm not going out in this. I'm going to go home then and get ready, and she's going to get a shower.
Yeah, you're good.
You're gonna hang, and I'll be back in a little bit.
I'm gonna hang with my wang.
You riding tonight or what?
I mean, why
Bro,
would
what kind of question is that?
I'm gonna be dressed. No.
Dressed for what? You going to prom?
Them girls are going out.
Yeah.
Bro, you know what I wear when I go to Cowboys? You're looking at it.
I mean, we can. We're just gonna be cold on the ride home, that's all. 'Cause I know I'm wearing
Holly, show us what you do with your wheels.
Huh?
Wraps by Holly.
Oh,
We'll give you a shout.
Oh my god. Look at this one. I love the blue and the gray one.
This one.
That's
We're
mine.
almost done with it.
Very
This is not
nice.
my work. That's somebody else tried.
This is your work though, right?
This is.
Yeah.
This is my most popular
You
wrap.
got a bunch of them going on.
Yeah, they're awesome. They're
And this
so
one, this person wanted to custom do it to match their car color.
Okay.
Purple.
Yeah.
I said, okay. I like it.
What's the website?
Wraps by Holly.
Wraps by Holly.
Well, that's my Instagram.
Oh, Wraps by Holly on Instagram.
I love it.
And what, they send in the wheel and you just...
Yeah, if you want a brand new one, this is a brand new wheel.
Cool.
This person shipped me their wheel to wrap.
All right.
I love this color.
Yeah, that's
really
probably my
like that
favorite
color.
one right there.
Yeah.
This looks way better already, man. Where's the other bars you had on it? Actually, it don't look that much bigger, huh?
It's just the bend.
It's the bend and the grandpappy bars.
The bend is just way different.
Were they 10s, I guess?
Those are 10s, yeah.
And they kind of curved in. Yeah.
They look different already.
Definitely an improvement.
Not as big. Little by little.
We gotta do the
I mean, you're
front
5'6", so it should work pretty well.
That's crazy.
Bro, I'm so pumped for your thrashing stuff.
I'm so damn.
It's gonna look good. What are you guys cooking up here? Huh?
Some rust. Some rust. It's a little seasoned. It's a little seasoned. See this? I'm saying I cleaned all the fucking
No way.
metal.
That's wild.
That shit came out nice, Robbie. Look at this side.
Steel wool. Let's hear, old girl. What are we doing tonight?
A little bit of Cowboys. A little bit of line dancing.
Give us the line dance.
Come on, don't put me on the spot like that.
I just did.
I don't know. I don't know any country line dances.
Hmm?
Is that it?
I said, I said, I don't think Kevin, so you gotta worry about it.
I like the Von Dutch hat.
How was it?
Pretty good. You want some?
All I see is night, no day. I have lost my way. 'Cause I'm an outlaw on the run. I'm a sinner with a gun. Oh, damn man. You can't teach me right from wrong, and I'll do whatever I want. Oh, damn man. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Don't mess around. Don't mess around with an old damn man.
So maybe even.
Pretty close. The rotors look good.
Looks bigger.
God dang, looks huge. That's a 21.
Where are we headed? Seafood Festival?
Sam take a long way.
Sam texted us, when are we going to Seafood Fest?
That looks so much better. Put the bigger wheel on. Right,
Yeah.
that one.
They're used.
He said, I'll warranty if you bring me it. So.
Biker gang. Really?
Gang, gang.
Hey, we gotta get some vests,
How you
dude.
doing?
Oh,
Little exhaust action.
nice. That's a good one. Hey, that thing is clean. Hey, that's the bike Ted's ready to ride on this gorgeous day
You're ready.
here.
You always bring the t-shirt heat, bro.
Always.
It's always like another. He has a lot of Harley shirts.
He
too.
does too.
You don't ride that much, but he's got a lot of shirts.
Yeah.
You don't ride.
I don't want to spin. Love it. Are you sitting now?
They just stopped it. Don't look half bad.
No, it was pretty
You guys did a good job cleaning it up.
Should I wheel it out for the other bikes?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Just got that on film.
That guy's lost his mind.
Say it again, babe.
No. You're me.
Here we are, the
Where are
Seafood
we?
Festival, John's Pass. Beautiful day, about 90 out.
Does feel good. Looking like a whole snack. Well, had a little bit of a tire issue.
Meg and I left a little early because we got a date.
What?
Looks like that tire came off a bead. So we got the boys coming to take a look at it. Luckily we were only going about 25 miles per hour, so no major damage. We'll see if we can get this thing inflated a little bit more.
They're about to lift the bike in Sid's truck. This bike is about to get lifted by all these people.
Yeah. Yeah. It's flat.
Here we go.
There it went.
Yep. I could have made it home.
Oh, I would have went to home.
Should I be across and go for a second?
Yeah.
Where's my whistle?
Yeah.
Oh my fucking God, I'm breathing so hard on this. I can't watch.
Start going.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's gonna snap. It's gonna snap. Yeah. That would have been a bad day.
We just heard it.
Did you not hear it?
I mean, it's gonna creak.
No, it's
There's a con.
Babe. Oh!
Well, I think it could have worked.
I'm getting nervous.
Oh, snap.
Yeah. Hey, Sin, grab that cinder block right there. A long one? A tall one? Perfect. Bring it. Come on.
I
You got warranty? Hey, extended warranty. You got the one or no?
Hey, they're
What do you need?
out, dude.
All these guys, and you can't lift that
I'm
much.
telling you, I provided the truck. They can't get that thing in there.
The whole time.
Well,
Get your muscles
I
ready.
say we just give it the old school try.
Get the
And
muscles out.
we just pick this Jimmy up.
That's what I tried to say.
Go ahead, boys.
I can't. I'm just gonna hold the camera and look this way.
Just go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There's one. Hold on.
Please tell me it's okay. Please tell me it's okay.
All right, hold it. You got the brake? Strap her in, baby.
I want my wood back, mother.
Dude, how is that gonna get home?
Yeah, let Brandon drive. If you get in the corner, that's fine.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna
There's
want
no
to.
room in there for anybody to sit down.
I might drink tonight. I'm not gonna lie.
I know.
Tonight might be the night.
He drives.
I cut this sobriety short.
Where do we make it go?
I'm serious.
I don't even know how you're about to get out.
Come on. I know, we gotta go to that little hump right there. You gotta gas it. You're right there. Don't move it.
How are you gonna get
You're
out?
getting out. It's so heavy. You're definitely getting out. Shoot.
Well, she can sit in the truck.
That just happened.
Well,
What do you think, babe?
I'm nervous about the car ride home now.
It's fine because it's her truck. Why don't you tell us about this beast?
all right, this beast brand new. Not brand new. Good old 42,000.
Yeah, we've been the whole time.
Got a nice 42,000 miles on it.
Let me tell you something about me.
Tell you something about these rednecks, alright? Extended warranty, so no damage to the truck. You're good.
I'm glad you got the warranty now.
She's done.
Shoot.
She's ready for this.
Yep. Them some good friends.
Take the truck to dinner. Go
Go ahead, take it.
Take the truck to
It's
dinner.
yours now.
I'll come pick it up later.
We might just sit on the back on the bike.
Gas.
You better go forward and then back up.
Send it home.
Why's that?
Can you and your girl ride this thing home on the back?
Yeah. We'll be good.
Hey, we ain't done with the project yet, though. Go, Betsy.
Just easy does it, my guy. Just let her roll. Bro, this is cool as shit. They'll make for a good ass video.
Do you believe in everything I say now? We're gonna get it done.
Y'all some real f***ing friends, man.
What happened?
Oh, just ask if you want to grab your purse. So.
Oh, yeah, she
I guess we'll just deal with it later.
Hey, we breaking.
Guess who came to save you? Big
The
Daddy.
rednecks, baby. The rednecks.
Holly, thoughts on your boyfriend getting it done?
You did great.
Great, yeah.
I'm impressed.
Hey, y'all have a good one then. We're gonna get ready.
You guys got somewhere to be. Get going.
On the pier.
Yeah, you guys get the hell out of here. You kids have a fun night. Have a good date night.
You just left him hanging, Tim. Did I? You left him full hanging on the video.
And then you could always run up to T because you can go up there and just
Kids
like
have fun. You're in too much trouble.
Alright, well, we'll see what happens. Thanks, guys. Jeez.
Yeah.
Man, y'all good people, I swear to God. These guys, they ain't as bad as they look. Thank you, guys.